Hi.
What's up, guys? Working on getting the boat done today. Well, stripped. Getting a full makeover. Tearing her apart. And all the doors taken off. Got Mr. Mikey helping me. Mrs. Jen hiding against the wall. See what we can get into tearing this apart. Been sitting out under a tarp all winter. Hopefully there's nothing hiding in here that we're gonna find. Cause that would suck. What do you think, Mikey? Can we get it done?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Alright, pull it off of there. Grab it with your hands. Feel it. There you go. There we go. And then we'll come back and pull the rest of the floor apart.
We can pull this stuff out because it's already started peeling.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's real easy.
Can I peel the rest of it?
Well, we gotta take the things out of the floor first.
This will be real easy when we peel it.
Because we gotta take these off and the things up front. And then we can pull all the rest
Do
of
you
it.
want to peel the first stuff off when we get that? Or do you want to do it right now? But
Yeah, we're gonna do it. I'm hungry.
oh yeah, we'll definitely then have to wash this floor right here.
No, we're gonna wash. We're gonna use the shaft iron.
Oh.
Okay. Everything good? Okay.
Fried zucchini.
Yeah. What are you doing? What's up, y'all? Well, me and Mikey got quite a bit done this weekend. It's a lot of work. Never realized pulling carpet out of a boat would be such a pain in the butt, but it kind of was. We got her all stripped down. Got all the carpet out, all the glue off. Got a little bit more prep work to do. And some of our new lights came in today, so we got a couple of them put on. Just needs wired still. New gauges showed up. Well, 2 of them. Rest of them be here soon. It's gonna look good when she's all done. Looking forward to it. Well, project, but it'll pay off in the end. It's nice taking something old, turning it into something nice. And it doesn't cost as much as a new boat. Well, till next week, peace. Have a good one.